Hey guys, welcome back to Unknown. Today I'm going to be showing you this song which I call Colors. I know this name is very simple, but it just sounds like that. And it's also very simple to learn, very short. I have to make it longer though. So let's just get right into learning it. So for the left hand, you just have B with three notes with change. So first it's B and G sharp, then B and D sharp, then B and F sharp. So let me just count how many times it goes. You can count. 1, 2. So it goes 8 times. You just need to play these 4 notes 8 times. So first one, so there are 3 bars. This, B, G sharp, B, D sharp, B, F sharp. So B, G sharp, you need to play this 8 times. These 4 notes 8 times. And then for B and the D sharp, you just need to play, instead of F sharp, you switch to D sharp. Then for F sharp, you play B, B sharp, D, F. B, B sharp, D sharp, F sharp. B, B, B flat, D sharp, F sharp. So it's same thing every time 8, but it's just a thing. So always gonna go down. So B, B flat, G sharp, F sharp. Then this is for B and the G sharp. B and the D sharp, B, B flat, G sharp, D sharp. B and the F sharp, B, B flat, D sharp, F sharp. Yes, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.